Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best nursery organizers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Skip Hop Diaper Caddy Organizer. It makes our favorite diaper container. The modular, light-up caddy has 2 main compartments with an adjustable center divider that allows you to customize the size to your individual liking. There are also 2 internal and 2 external pockets for stashing rash cream, lotion, and other small items you need. As the name implies, this diaper caddy lights up with a touch sensor to illuminate those middle-of-the-night changes without stimulating your baby with bright overheads. It's powered by a CR2 battery, included, that promises to last for over 1,200 hours, which, theoretically, should get you through the entirety of your child's multi-year diapering stage. More color options would be nice, but the textured gray is undoubtedly versatile. Shed some light on middle-of-the-night diaper changes with our modern diaper caddy. The handle shines softly with a touch-sensitive light and a 10-minute auto-off feature. Organize diapers, wipes and more with a modular divider and 4 pockets. Number 2. Our second best pick is Univivi Nursery Door Hanging Organizer. An over-the-door hanger can be useful in a nursery, whether you place it in a closet or attach it to the doorway. This one from Univivi is made of non-woven fabric that's breathable. It features 3 pockets on top and 4 or 5 tiers of compartments with mesh windows, so you can see what's being stored inside without having to shuffle through everything you've put there. The compartments are reinforced with fiberglass and cardboard, so they hold their shape well. This nursery organizer has universal steel hooks on top that promise to fit over virtually any door. Just know, while the weight capacity isn't specified, it might not be the best choice for books or other heavy items. Still, you'll have plenty of space to store and organize diapers, burp cloths, clothes, small toys, you name it. Breathable non-woven fabrics, non-smell, non-toxic, all for your safety. Space saver and roomy for storage and organizing. Elegant, simple decorative design. Useful simple cabinet storage for almost any room in the house. Number 3. Our third best pick is 3 Sprouts Animal Storage Bin. Babies and kids alike rack up a lot of toys. We like this storage bin. This cute container has a 100% cotton canvas exterior, a wipeable plastic lining, and stitched felt detailing. You can choose from over a dozen animals, ranging from a lion and llama to a dinosaur and sloth. The medium size can be placed on a shelf or directly on the floor, too. It's perfect for stuffed animals, rattles, sensory objects, high-contrast books, and other tummy time supplies. While this bin is more for storage than organization, having a designated spot for toys will help you keep things tidy. You might even consider getting another one to use as a nursery hamper. Bin collapses for easy storage when not in use. Coated on the inside so it's easy to wipe clean. It is made up of 100% cotton canvas. Handles on the side of the bin make it easy to hold and transport wherever you need it. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is mDesign Soft Fabric Drawer Organizer Bins. Looking for a budget-friendly option that'll still keep your little one's belongings safe, sound, and organized? Bowers is a fan of in-drawer dividers, like these bins from mDesign. According to her, they make the perfect organizers for those itty-bitty onesies and precious little clothes. You'll get a set of 5 including 4 sizes, 2 of the smallest, with your purchase. This means you can group like items and avoid large piles that can inevitably gather without an organization system in place. Bowers says dresser bins help you keep categories together. For instance, put all the tiny socks in one cube and all the onesies in another. The fabric-wrapped cardboard design isn't the most sturdy, but this probably won't be an issue when filling them with infant clothing. Plus, the drawers you place them in provide support. Ultimately, this budget-friendly set is simple yet flexible, and you can shop it in 10 different color themes and match your nursery with total ease. The soft storage organizers keep closet and nursery room clutter under control by storing all of your little one's essentials. These divided organizers make it easy to find exactly what you need, when you need it, while keeping items separated in their own space. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Munchkin Nursery Essentials Organizer. The perfect solution for organizing a baby's belongings depends on your personal needs, available space, and design preferences. Having said that, we believe that pretty much any parent and their little one will find this organizer useful, reliable, and practical. This versatile system has 3 tiers of storage, each with sturdy inserts. It's made of wood and features cardboard reinforced fabric compartments. You can stash everything from changing essentials and feeding supplies to toys and baby linens in the fabric compartments. Just bear in mind, the freestanding unit doesn't attach to a wall. It also shouldn't be loaded with more than 25 pounds. Though we wish the Nursery Essentials Organizer came in more colors, the minimalist, gender-neutral design will work with most decor schemes. You'll have to assemble this product at home, but it comes with all the necessary hardware and should be a quick process. All in all, the spacious capacity and seemingly endless organization possibilities make it our top pick. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.